How to define a string representation for an object. Usually when you write a class and call its object, you would get something like this. So suppose I have the class person and I write the init constructor and I have name as the attribute. So I write self.name is equal to name. So now I'll just create an object for this and I'll write p is equal to person and then give the name as Jane. So now when I just print p over here, it will give me this encoded way of showing the object. Even if I write print and p, it will give me the same. But if I write p dot name, it will give me the actual name that I have given. So if I want to find the name of the object, I can't just directly find out, because it will just give me the encoded print. It will just print the encoded name for the object. But in case if I want to know the name of the object that I have got, or that I have made, I can just use the string method. So I write underscore underscore string and underscore underscore, and then I write the self in the brackets, and I return the string whatever I want to print. So I write string representation of object, and now when you do the same thing, you create the object and you call and you print the object, it will give string representation of object. But now also if you print just p, it will give me this encoded message. So the print p has been resolved, but the just p, just writing the object over there has not been resolved. So for that, we have another method called the REPR, or representation method, and in that we can help change what is displayed when you write just p. So now again I'll write the same class over here, just I'll change the string that is being passed, and I'll write here name of the person and I give the name to be formatted. And now when I print the object p, it will give name of the person Jane. So now I'll write the representation method. So I'll write underscore underscore repr underscore underscore self, and then I write return and repr I forgot r, yeah, of object. And now when I again make the object person and I give the same name Jane and I print just p, we'll see representation of object. So and if I write print p, it will write string representation of object. This is how you do you give a string representation of an object in Python.